So the dollar's been causing quite a lot of volatility in the markets, especially with other cross currencies like GBP, USD, Euro, USD. Let's dive into the charts and see what's going on with the dollar and where could this be heading. So here we are, guys. We're looking at the dollar index, the DXY. In my last video, I was talking about how we could see the dollar index strengthen up to around 115, trying to retest those. So we haven't quite got there yet. Again, there's a lot of slow movement going on. But I'm not going to give up on this yet. Actually, I was also talking about how this when the dollar index was down here, this may not necessarily be the turning point. It might be the case that we're going to go a little bit low on before trying to go up and retest those levels. So again, when I'm doing this video analysis, I'm trying to sort of take a medium to long-term outlook, because this is not about me giving you investment advice or anything as such. It's more about me trying to forecast where the market might be heading, and using that analysis, we use that as a tool to work out the different trades and the positions we can take along the way as the market is moving. So looking at the chart, what I can see is a very high probability of dollar sort of pushing down to at least the 101 level. I wouldn't be surprised if the dollar actually goes even lower. I think looking at what's actually happened and the slow sort of move up, there don't seem to be any sort of dollar strength here at the moment. So I would suspect we're going to see the dollar sort of push down to somewhere around the 98 on the dollar index. Somewhere around there, I would expect a strong reversal. It's hard to tell just now, but at the moment, I would stay on bearish on the dollar. I think there's some turbulence that's going to happen here, which might, if you're trading GBP, USD, Euro, USD, then you might want to be looking at the upside on those. I was actually talking about how GBP, USD, Euro, USD, they might go to on par levels with the dollar. I think I was a bit too early on this, actually. I think we're going to see them reach new highs before sort of crashing down whilst the dollar sort of strengthens again. So let's see. Let's watch the dollar come down to. Let's watch the DXY index come down to around the 101-ish level and see if we get any sign of stopping here, or if you get a sign that this is going to continue down to around the 98 level, and then we'll be able to see what's likely to happen next. So there you go, guys. That's my take on the market. If you are looking to trade this, you're going to need my precise trade ideas. On a regular basis, as the price moves according to my forecast, I give out trade signals, or you might call them Forex signals, where I give you exact prices to enter, exact prices to take profit, and exact levels to take stop loss if things go wrong. So go ahead and join my Forex signal service and get all my trade ideas. Jump onto my website. I'll leave a link in the description below and sign up and get my trade ideas today.